Tracking more hot and humid weather most of this week. We're getting to that time of year when it's going to get hot and stay pretty hot most days. So hot and humid weather returns tomorrow. It could be a little less breezy tomorrow, but I think the breezes come back Thursday and Friday to get temperatures back still in the 90s each day. Humidity stays high all week long. By the weekend, rain chances could start to go up. There will be a front to the north of the valley. It may get close enough, especially by later Sunday and Monday, to increase the rain chances to more of a significant level. So, until then, tiny, if any, rain chances are around the next several days. Now, the current temperatures are running mostly in the upper 80s in the lower valley. We're 89 in Harlingen, 95 though in Rio Grande City. Was a lot of cloud cover around early this morning and still kind of breaking up across the area. It's more of a partly sunny sky right now in most spots. Humidity's up pretty high, dew points up in the low 70s, and that will stay at that level or maybe increase slightly over the next couple of days. So it's not able to cool off very much at night. In fact, I think the low this morning in Weslaco was only 77. Sticky out there, but it will be maybe even a little warmer than that tonight in some areas with a light breeze around and some clouds and humidity. So the evening temperatures not dropping very quickly, around 88 at 7 p.m., 85 at 9 p.m., and 81 at 11. May have trouble getting much below 80 tonight. I think the breezes will be around, maybe not as gusty as right now, but at least a light breeze all night long, which really helps mix up the air and keep it from cooling off very much. So right now the sustained wind speeds about 20 to 23 miles per hour, so 25 in Port Isabel. Pretty good breeze blowing, but not super gusty across the valley. Some gusts are up around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Future track, you notice the winds fairly breezy at 7 p.m. this evening. They gradually decrease very little late tonight. You see a small drop by 11 p.m. and maybe more of a drop off toward morning. I think tomorrow, though, is a day when it won't be as breezy in most areas. It still may remain kind of breezy right along the coast and within a few miles of the coast, but inland, probably not as breezy tomorrow. In fact, Future Track shows wind speeds of only about 5 or 10 miles per hour in these little areas that aren't shaded with any color. So it could be a calmer day tomorrow, but without a breeze to make it feel cooler, it may actually feel a lot hotter, especially if the sun's able to break out more. And the winds stay fairly light and variable tomorrow. By Thursday, you see the breezes come back in the morning they're light, but then they start to pick up again by later in the afternoon and early evening coming up. So I think there will be a pretty good breeze around Thursday, Friday, and maybe even Saturday. Satellite radar shows not a whole lot going on. Clouds were around this morning, no rain around, and clouds are still breaking up across South Texas and the valley, but a dry stretch of weather continuing. Future Track shows humid weather tonight and some clouds around. Should be a fairly cloudy night. Tomorrow is a day when start off with clouds and then a little more partly sunny skies. Tiny chance you might catch a quick little shower. You may have seen a few green blotches on the upper edge of the screen here. It looks like any shower should be mostly to the north, but it's not out of the question that maybe one little quick shower pops up somewhere tomorrow afternoon, but it looks pretty minor if anything does get going. Thursday, kind of the same thing too. Clouds around the morning. It gets kind of breezy and humid and should stay dry, but you see a couple showers nearby that should stay off to the west over the mountains of Mexico. So first 1570 forecast. We'll get into this a little more as the evening goes on, but rain chances may increase some as early as Saturday or Sunday. Highs stay in the 90s the next several days. The low temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 70s. It's kind of like summertime nighttime lows when it's only in the upper 70s. A little breezy Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday. We could start to see a small chance for a shower or even a thunderstorm Saturday. A little bit better chance Sunday and especially Monday as a weak cold front to the north kind of moves down into South Texas and could squeeze some moisture our way. So out of the next 7 days, we're looking at maybe Sunday and Monday, potentially Tuesday as the 2 or 3 best chances for a few showers or storms. But until then, mostly just hot the next few days again.
That's okay. That's about what it should be around this time of year.
Yeah,
correct?
I mean, like I said, we're getting to that time where it doesn't cool off very much anymore.
Get ready. The dog days of summer is on the way.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Alan.